Very good morning, students. I welcome you all to the continuation of the last class. What we have learnt. What we have learnt the last class. See on the screen. The miracle. The miracle was written by Roald Dahl. Okay. So who is he? Can you able to see an image on the screen? Who is he? I hope so you will never forget about him, because we learned so many things about this man. Okay, who is he? Roald Dahl. He was born in 1916 and died in 1990. Okay, then I already told that so many things we learned about this man. Okay, so we have to recall those things before entering into that next part of this lesson. Okay, so we have to recall about that author too. Okay, so he was born in 1916 and died in 1990. Then where he was born, the place, he was born in England. Okay, then he is a British novelist, short story writer, poet, screenwriter and wartime fighter pilot. Okay, so he was worked as a wartime fighter pilot in the Royal Air Force during the Second World War. Okay, then he is one of the most successful and well-known authors of fiction for children. Okay, I already explained the meaning for the word fiction. Fiction means the imaginative writings. Okay, imaginative writing, not the real one. Okay, then he created some lovable characters like Willy Wonka, Danny the champion of the world, then the PFG. Okay, PFG means big friendly giant. Okay, I already told that there are some famous work of the Roald Dahl, especially for children. Okay, we learned about that works. For your remembrance, that James and the Giant Peach, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, the Witches, Fantastic Mr. Fox, the PFG and Twits. Okay, I ask you to what? Remember that one a special work written by Roald Dahl. What's the work? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Why I ask you to remember that work alone? Because this lesson, what we have learned today, the miracle. Okay, the miracle lesson was adapted from that work, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, why? The idea for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory came to him when he was in school. Okay, when the Roald Dahl was studying in the school, in his school time, he had an idea. Okay, to write a work like this, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. A chocolate company used to send chocolates for the students to eat and test. There was a chocolate company, we already know the name of the chocolate company, Wonka. Okay, Willy Wonka. That chocolate company used to send chocolates for the students to eat and test about the taste and quality of the chocolate. So like that, Roald Dahl was studied in the school. At that time, that Wonka's company sent some models of chocolates to eat, and they want the feedback from the students. Okay, so at that time, that Roald Dahl used to dream of inventing a new variety of chocolate. So I think so that he cannot able to invent a new variety of chocolate. Instead of that, he wrote a work. He created a work like Charlie and a Chocolate Factory. Okay, it's especially for children. Okay, so why all the children like to eat chocolate, ice creams and all these things I already told in the last class. Okay, so these are all about Roald Dahl. I hope so you never forget about Roald Dahl, because he wrote so many things especially for children. Okay, so we have to move to the next one, that you can able to see some images on the screen. Okay, this is the first image. What's the image? We already saw this image on the last class. Okay, so you have to remember all those things, so only I want to recall all those things, then only we will continue with where we stopped in the last class. Okay, so this is the image what I explained for this image. This is the image of the chocolate, that shop. Okay, this, what is this image? Wonka. Okay, Wonka, Whipple, scrumptious, fudge mellow, delight. What's the meaning for scrumptious? Delicious. Very good, delicious. Okay, so this is the chocolate that Charlie want to buy from that shop. Okay, so the next image is that, what is this, penning? Okay, 50 pence. 50 pence. How much money that Charlie gave to that shopkeeper? 50 pence. Okay, so 50 pence. Then next one is, let's recall, this is the image of that boy that I explained, that this is a boy have chocolate. This boy was eating chocolate with some happiness, eagerness, and what we already spoke about, how much we are very eager while eating chocolates, ice creams and all. Okay, so this is the image of that boy. You can see that image, the boy having chocolate with a smile. Okay, it shows some happiness. Okay, so first of all, we have to recall the lesson that Charlie went to the shop and he gave 50 pence to the shopkeeper and asked a chocolate bar. What's the name of the chocolate bar? Wonka's Willy Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mellow Delight. Okay, this is the name of the chocolate bar. Don't forget this name. Then how that shopkeeper looks like. The shopkeeper is very fat. Okay, shopkeeper was very fat, looking very fat, and he has big lips. He has big lips and fat cheeks and fat neck. Okay, then he gave the chocolate to the Charlie. Then while getting chocolate from the shopkeeper, Charlie grabbed it and took an enormous bite. Okay, then the Charlie's mouth is full of chocolates and he cannot be able to speak because his mouth is filled with the chocolate. What's the name of the chocolate? Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mellow Delight. Why I am repeating this chocolate name means it's a real key for the lesson. Okay, so the shopkeeper told that the Charlie, don't eat a chocolate like this. Okay, you have to chew it and then swallow the chocolate. Okay, don't. But the Charlie was so much of he felt so much happy and he is very eager to eat the chocolate. Okay, so he didn't give any stop for that next bite. Okay, he is simply swallow it. Okay, without chewing. So that shopkeeper gave the guidelines to swallow. First you have to chew the chocolate and then you have to swallow it. Like that shopkeeper gave the guidance to the Charlie, but Charlie didn't hear about that shopkeeper's words. Okay, so next at that time Charlie finished it off the chocolate bar, and then the shopkeeper gave the change to Charlie. At that time Charlie thought that I want one more too. Okay, I want to buy one more chocolate. So he want to buy one more chocolate and he spent another penny to buy a chocolate. Okay, then he while Charlie asked another chocolate, he insisted that I need the same kind as before, please. He is pleasing to the shopkeeper. Okay, I need the same kind of chocolate as before. So he get the chocolate at what's the name of the chocolate? Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Mellow Delight. At that time Charlie picked it up and tore off the wrapper, and suddenly he can see that golden color, a bright sparkle of golden color inside the chocolate. Okay, we stopped at the last class that what is the brilliant flash of gold, a bright sparkle of golden color. Okay, I ask you to wait for the surprise. Okay, here there's a surprise. We have to move to these are all the things we learned in the last class. Today's class we have to see what's the surprise that Charlie's got from that second chocolate bar. Okay, so we have to move to the lesson. You can able to see that this is the surprise that Charlie got from the chocolate bar. What is that surprise? Golden a ticket. Okay, ticket golden ticket he got from that chocolate. Okay, so what is golden ticket? It's somewhat a surprise or somewhat like a gift. Okay, so if you are getting the golden ticket from some what products like Dairy Milk, 5 star, Oreo, like the Dark Fantasy, like that, they sometimes the companies like this Cadbury's and all like this, they conduct some contest. Okay, if you get this chocolate, we have a prize in it, inside it you have to get the chocolate and you can send that prize to our company, we will give some rewards, like that they will announce. Okay, like that here the Oncast company announced some golden ticket contest. Okay, I think so this is the I think so 5 golden ticket they announced. Okay, so here the Charlie bought a second chocolate bar. Inside that second chocolate bar there is a golden ticket. Okay, so it's a golden ticket, we will go line by line. Okay, it's a golden ticket. Scream the shopkeeper, leaping about a foot in the air. Okay, it's a golden ticket. Scream the shopkeeper, scream means shouting. Okay, it's a golden ticket. Charlie, you got the a boy, you got this golden ticket, leaping about a foot in the air. Leaping means jumping. Okay, that much happiness that that boy got a golden ticket. Wow. Okay, so he's jumping. Who? That shopkeeper, because the Charlie don't know about this golden ticket at first. Okay, so but the shopkeeper knows about that golden ticket, so he's jumping, leaping about a foot in the air. You have got a golden ticket, exclamatory mark. Okay, so expressing feelings. Okay, so you have got a golden ticket, boy, you are a lucky man in the city. Okay, like that is what appreciating and what encouraging that boy Charlie. Okay, so you have found the last golden ticket. Why this much of eagerness, this much of happiness? This is the last golden ticket of that contest. Okay, so already all the golden tickets are got by someone else. Okay, so here this is the last golden ticket and you are the most luckiest person in the city, you have got the last golden ticket. Like that he expressed about this golden ticket. Then he, would you believe, hey, would you believe it? I cannot believe this, I can't. The shopkeeper expressed like that, I can't believe this. Would you believe it? You got the golden ticket. Come, look at this, everybody. That shopkeeper called all the person, those who are on the wandering on the street. That shopkeeper called all the persons are standing in the streets. Okay, come, look at this, everybody. The kids found Oncast last golden ticket. This is a surprise, very big surprise in the city today. He got a last golden ticket. Okay, so come, all of you come and see this golden ticket that boy got. Okay, so there it is. But the Charlie don't know about this golden ticket. He what he cannot feel that happiness, but he know somewhat we got from the chocolate. Okay, it's like golden color. Okay, like that he know. But the shopkeeper knows the real value of that golden ticket. And why the real value, why I said that as a real value means this is the last golden ticket. Okay, last golden ticket, it's right here in his hands. Okay, so why he was reacting and feeling this much of happiness? Because the Charlie got a chocolate from that man's shop. Okay, that shopkeeper's shop. So he feel that in my shop there is a golden ticket, from my shop a boy got a golden ticket, last golden ticket. So he was very happy. Okay, so it seemed as though the shopkeeper would collapse in a fit. Okay, it seemed as though the shopkeeper would collapse in it. In my shop too, he yelled means shout, cry. Okay, he shout, from my shop he got a golden ticket. Okay, it was very happy to me, from my shop a boy got a golden ticket. But he found it right here in my own little shop. Okay, so he's expressing his feelings that he found it right here in my own little shop. Somebody call the newspaper quick and let them know. Somebody call the newspaper quick and let them know. Okay, he don't know what he want to do, because he was in such happiness. Okay, extremely happy. So he don't know what he has to do in that time. Okay, so watch out now, Sunny, don't tear it as you unwrap it. Okay, don't tear it as you unwrap it. That thing's precious. Okay, that thing's precious. He is telling that don't tear that golden ticket while you are unwrapping that chocolate cover. Okay, so why that thing is precious. Okay, you got the precious one in the city, no one got like you, so you are the most luckiest person in the city. So don't tear that golden ticket. Okay, so keep it safe, like that he insists to Charlie. Okay, next, in a few seconds there was a crowd of about 20 people clustering around Charlie, and many more were pushing their way in from the street. Okay, in few seconds there was a crowd of about 20 people clustering, because this is the what it's highlighted and flash news in the city, because there so many of them are buying the chocolate for getting the golden ticket. But unfortunately Charlie got that golden ticket, because not unfortunately, he is very lucky boy. Okay, he's the luckiest one in the city, but he don't know about the golden ticket. He never bought the second chocolate for the golden ticket. Okay, you have to listen that one, you have to understand that one, that he never bought second chocolate for getting golden ticket. He simply bought the second chocolate to taste it. Okay, he want to eat one more chocolate, he like to eat one more chocolate, so only he get the second one. But unfortunately luckily he got the golden ticket from that second chocolate. Okay, what is by clustering means standing close together. Okay, cluster means a group of people, a group of crowd, something. Okay, standing close together around Charlie, and many more were pushing their way in from the street. Okay, I already told that shopkeeper was shouted, from my shop that small boy got golden ticket, like that the shopkeeper was shouted. So all those people are standing in the street, come nearer to that boy Charlie. Okay, to see the golden ticket. Okay, so everybody wanted to get a look at the golden ticket and the lucky finder. Okay, so every one of that those who are wandering on the street, they wanted to get a look at the golden ticket and the lucky finder. Okay, so golden ticket is somewhat it's like a treasure. Okay, it's like a treasure and it's like a gift. Always we are showing some eagerness to to see the gifts or surprise. Okay, to know the surprise, we show some eagerness towards it. Okay, like that they all wanted to get a look at the golden ticket and lucky finder. Where it is the lucky finder. Okay, somebody shouted, hold it up so all of us can see it. Okay, please hold it up, please raise your hands with the golden ticket, then only we can able to see it. Please show it, we can able to. Okay, hold it up so all of us can see it. Okay, so hold raise your hands up, so only then only we can see that golden ticket. There it is. Okay, there it is. There someone else shouted, someone else from the crowd saw that golden ticket and shouted, there is the golden ticket. Okay, so he is holding it in his hands. Means here he refers Charlie. Okay, Charlie holding it in his hands. See the gold shining, that golden tickets was it is in golden color, and it's looking very shining in shining look. Okay, so I forgot to show the golden ticket to you. First you have to see the golden ticket, how it looks like. Okay, this is the golden ticket got by that by Charlie from that chocolate. Okay, Fudge Mellow Delight. Okay, so this is the golden ticket. It's like gold color. Okay, gold color, gold in color. This is the golden ticket. You can able to see the golden ticket. Okay, so luck, you can see an image luck. Okay, here that Roald Dahl insists luck towards Charlie. Okay, so many of them are wanted that golden ticket, and they are buying chocolate every day. Okay, 20 30 like that, they bought a chocolate to get a golden ticket. But I already told that Charlie got the second chocolate to taste it, and he want to eat the chocolate, not to get a golden ticket. Okay, by luck, he is the luckiest one. Okay, so only by luck he got the golden ticket. Okay, so here luck plays a vital role. Okay, if you have luck means you will get all those things instantly. Okay, so if you think you are an unlucky person means you will have some negative feelings. Okay, here we already discussed about that Charlie got the second chocolate to taste it, not to get a golden ticket. We can think like this. Okay, if the Charlie got the second chocolate to get the golden ticket means we cannot assure that he will get the golden ticket or not, but he never thought about that golden ticket. Okay, so only he got the golden ticket by the luck. Okay, so here we saw the golden ticket. Then here, how did he manage to find it? I had like to know, a large boy shouted angrily. Okay, from the crowd, how did he manage to find it? I had like to know, a large boy shouted angrily. 20 bars a day, I have been buying them for weeks and weeks. Okay, so I already told that. So all those people are crowd are buying a chocolate. Okay, 20 or 30 daily and daily to get a golden ticket. But by luck that Charlie got the golden ticket. Okay, so that large boy shouted angrily. Okay, I want to find how he got the golden ticket. Okay, because I bought 20 bars a day, I have been buying them for weeks and weeks. Okay, so I never get a single golden ticket because I got 20 bars for a week. So he was angry with that Charlie. Okay, so because he got golden ticket by buying the second one. Okay, second chocolate. Okay, so think of all the free stuff he will be getting too, another boy said enviously. Okay, so think of all the free stuff he will be getting to, another boy said enviously. A lifetime's supply. Okay, what is by enviously here? In a jealous way. Okay, jealous means jealous. He don't like that this boy also don't like that Charlie got the golden ticket. Okay, so in jealous way he is telling that free stuff he will be getting to, another boy said enviously. A lifetime supplies. Okay, so all of them are got angry. Okay, some of them are got some of them feel happy because that boy got a golden ticket, but most of them are from the crowd get jealous and angry with that boy Charlie. Okay, then he will need it, the skinny little shrimp, a girl said laughing. Okay, as he will need it, that skinny little shrimp, a girl said laughing. Okay, what is the shrimp here? A small physically weak person. Okay, a lean person, physically weak person, a girl said laughing. Okay, he will need it, the skinny little shrimp, a girl said laughing, because the Charlie it refers to Charlie's appearance. Okay, he was somewhat lean. Okay, so the skinny, so that girl kidding Charlie, he need the lifetime supply of the chocolate, so only he will get somewhat fat. Okay, so he's laughing and he's kidding Charlie. Okay, then Charlie hadn't moved from that place, because all of them are surrounding, round up the Charlie to see the golden ticket. Charlie never moved from that place. He hadn't even unwrapped the golden ticket from around the chocolate bar. Okay, he never, we saw just a golden color inside the what, chocolate bar. He never unwrapped the golden ticket from the chocolate bar. He was standing very still, holding it tightly with both hands. Okay, he was standing very still and holding it tightly with both hands, while the crowd pushed and shouted all around him. Okay, while the crowd was pushed and shouted all around him. So he was somewhat confused and somewhat got fear. Okay, so he never moved from the place, and he was standing still and holding it tightly with both the hands. He was somewhat feared that someone will pick that golden ticket from him. Okay, so he hold that golden ticket very tightly with both the hands, while the crowd pushed and shouted all around him. Okay, so all of them are pushing here and there to see the golden ticket. How was the golden ticket? Okay, how the golden tickets looks like. So pushing and shouting all around him. He felt quite dizzy. What is my dizzy here? Confused and unsteady. Okay, he was confused and unsteady. You can see the image of that confused Charlie. You can see that image on the screen, right? Wait a minute. I have an image for that one. Wait. Like this. Okay, you can able to see that image, confused. Okay, Charlie was confused and he was standing in that crowd. Okay, how he never moved from that crowd and he was confused. Wait. Then there was a peculiar floating sensation coming over him, as though he were floating up in the air like a balloon. Okay, so confused and unsteady. Okay, he was unsteady and standing on the street. Then there was a peculiar floating sensation. What is my peculiar floating sensation? A strange feeling. Okay, a strange feeling as if one were flying. Okay, you can see it on the screen, that a strange feeling as if one were flying. Okay, so this is a peculiar floating sensation coming over him, as though he were floating up in the air like a balloon. Okay, so he was unsteady and standing on the street. What he has to do the next? Okay, there are some questions raised up in the mind of Charlie, that can I unwrap the chocolate and get the golden ticket and see? But all of them are around him and pushing and shouting here and there, and some of them are jealous and angry with Charlie. So he was fear, and he stands still with the golden ticket by holding the golden ticket with both the hands very tightly. Okay, so we can move to the next page. This is the golden ticket got by that. There are some instructions given in the golden ticket, on that date, on the time, on that place. You can get a prize by showing this golden ticket. Okay, like that. Hope you saw that on the video. We never talked about that video you saw in the first class. Okay, in that video you can clearly see that what Charlie did in that first class, where he went to the chocolate bar and how he get the chocolate and how he ate the chocolate. Then at last there is at last the video ends with that he unwrapped and saw the golden color inside that chocolate. Okay, so by seeing that video, you can see that image in front of your eye. Okay, see, by reading this book you can bring that image, but seeing that video you can easily identify what the Charlie did. Okay, here there is a picture that so many of them are in front of that shop, so many of them are around up that Charlie to see the golden ticket. Okay, here we can go line by line. Here his feet didn't seem to be touching the ground at all. Already we saw that he was unsteady. Okay, he was confused and unsteady. He was floating on the air like a balloon. He was floating on the air like a balloon means he is not in the clear mind. Okay, he was floating. He don't know how to react. He don't know what he has to do. Okay, so his feet didn't seem to be touching the ground at all. He could hear his heart thumping away loudly somewhere in his throat. Okay, he could hear his heart thumping away loudly somewhere in his throat. Okay, so he feels somewhat he don't know how to react and what he has to do. So he thinks that my heart is thumping away loudly and somewhere in his throat. Okay, so he feel like that. Okay, at that point he became aware of the hand resting lightly on his shoulder. Okay, at that point he became aware of a hand resting lightly on his shoulder, and when he looked up he saw a tall man standing over him. Okay, so you can able to see that a tall man standing near to the Charlie, and he placed his hands on Charlie's shoulder. Okay, so at that time he saw a tall man standing over him. Okay, so that man listen, the man whispered, I will buy it from you. Okay, listen, the man whispered, I will buy it from you. I will give you 50 pounds. For 50 pounds, we already know about 50 pence. Okay, already I explained that what is pence and what is pounds. Okay, pence, the change of pounds. Pounds is like a notes, high value money. Okay, here 50 pounds, you can able to see that image of that 50 pounds here. This is 50 pounds. Okay, so that man, Central Bank of Egypt, I already told that Europeans, they are used to what name money as pence, pounds and all. Okay, here that man lightly resting his hand on his shoulder and telling that I will buy it from you. I will give you 50 pounds. Please give that golden ticket to me. Okay, for the golden ticket I will give you 50 pounds. Okay, how about it? Yeah, and I will give you a new bicycle as well. Okay, but he's telling that I will give 50 pounds and a new bicycle too. Please give the golden ticket to me. Okay, so he's changing the mind of Charlie, because the Charlie doesn't know about that the value of the golden ticket. Okay, so that man mesmerizing and changing the mind of that boy Charlie by giving 50 pounds and a new bicycle and all. Okay, then at that same time, are you crazy, shouted a woman who was standing equally close. Okay, you can able to see that the man and the woman, some of them are around Charlie. Okay, so are you crazy, shouted a woman who was standing equally close. Okay, why? I had give him 200 pounds for the ticket. Okay, you are telling that you are going to give 50 pounds. Are you crazy? I am going to give 200 pounds for that ticket. You want to sell that ticket for 200 pounds, young man? That lady asked Charlie that you want to sell the ticket for 200 pounds, young man? So that lady asked Charlie, I will give 200 pounds. Please give that golden ticket to me. So all of them are in the crowd. Started to bargaining to get that golden ticket from Charlie. Okay, here that's quite, at that time there's a voice, that's quite enough of that. A fat shopkeeper shouted, pushing his way through the crowd and taking Charlie firmly by the arm. Okay, so the shopkeeper entered into the crowd, and what he's shouting, pushing his way through the crowd and taking Charlie firmly by the arm. Leave the kid alone. Will you leave the kid alone? Don't disturb Charlie to get golden ticket from him. Okay, so he's the luckiest one in the city, so he got a golden ticket by his luck. So don't disturb Charlie, let him be alone. Okay, leave the kid alone. Will you please move, all of you, like that shopkeeper was shouted in the street. Okay, in between that crowds. Make way there, let him out. Make way there, please move. Okay, please move that side, let him out. And to Charlie, as he led him to the door, he whispered, don't you let anybody have it. Okay, don't give this golden ticket to anybody. Okay, you have to keep this golden ticket safely, and you take this golden ticket to your home. Don't give this golden ticket to anybody. Take it straight home quickly before you lose it. Okay, quickly before you lose it means all of them are what changing and mesmerizing that mind of Charlie to get the golden ticket. So he give the guidance to Charlie that take it straight home. Don't go here and there and somewhere else. Okay, so go straight to your home, and before you lose the golden ticket. Okay, here run all the way and don't stop till you get there. You understand, Charlie? Charlie nodded. Okay, nodded his head and say, yes, I will go to my home, like that. Okay, so at first in the last class there is a question that don't eat your chocolate like this. Okay, for that question, why you are eating the chocolate like this, for that question also Charlie is not able to answer. Why? Because his mouth is full of chocolate. Okay, at that time also Charlie nodded his head. Now also Charlie nodded his head that I will go to my home straight. Okay, so here run all the way and don't stop till you get there. You understand, Charlie? Like that shopkeeper gave that a good guidance and useful create a useful path to Charlie to safeguard that golden ticket from that crowd and all. Okay, so something that fat shopkeeper said, pausing a moment and smiling at Charlie. Something the fat shopkeeper said, pausing a moment and smiling at Charlie, that it shows the real character of the shopkeeper. Okay, so we in the last class we saw that the appearance of the shopkeepers, very fat shopkeeper, big lips and fat necks and cheeks. We learned that one alone. Here that shopkeeper said, pausing a moment and smiling at Charlie. It shows the real character and his attitudes of that shopkeeper. Okay, I have a feeling you needed some luck. I am glad you got it. Good luck to you, Sunny. Okay, so he is wishing Charlie because he got a golden ticket by his luck. Okay, so good luck to you, Sunny. So please take this golden ticket to your home. Okay, so like that shopkeeper gave a guidance to Charlie. Okay, so the Charlie said, thank you, Charlie said, and off he went, running through the snow as fast his legs could go. Okay, here as fast as his legs could go means, what's the meaning for this? As fast as he could run. Okay, as fast as he could run, he has to go to his home to give the golden ticket to his family members. Okay, so thank you, Charlie said, and off he went, running through the snow as fast as his leg could go. As he flew past Mr. Wonka's factory. You want to see that factory? There is an image of that factory. Wait, this is the image of that Wonka's factory. Okay, so Charlie is running towards his home. At that time he saw Mr. Willy Wonka's factory. Okay, then at that time he turned he turned and waved at it and sang out. Okay, he turned towards that chocolate factory and he sang a song that I will be seeing soon, I will be seeing soon. Okay, I will be seeing soon and I will be seeing soon. Why he is singing like this? Because he got a golden ticket. If you want to get a reward for this golden ticket, means you have to that they instructed that you bring that golden ticket to our company, and if you bring the golden ticket we will give a reward, like that they instructed. So Charlie heard all those news from that crowd, and by seeing that golden ticket he come to know we have to go to the company to get the reward. So by seeing that factory is singing a song that I will be seeing soon and I will be seeing soon. Okay, and 5 minutes later he arrived at his own home. Okay, and 5 minutes later he arrived at his own home by having that golden ticket in his hands. Okay, so at last he entered his home with the golden ticket without any distraction and all. Okay, because so many of them want bargaining, and so many of them are asking the golden ticket by giving compliment like 200 pounds, 50 pounds and new bicycle and all. Okay, but the Charlie have that golden ticket and he entered into has the golden ticket and he entered into his house safely. Okay, so this is the lesson we learned. This is the lesson all about the miracle. This was adapted by the story Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, so we have to move to the next one. That we already saw this picture, that 50 pounds and this Mr. Willie won't cost factory and all. Okay, so these are all the meanings we learned in this class. Clustering means a crowd or group standing close together. Okay, enviously in a jealous way, enviously in a next word, enviously in a jealous way. Okay, shrimp, a small physically weak person here. Okay, the dicey, confused and unsteady here, confused and unsteady. Okay, then a peculiar floating sensation, a strange feelings as if one were flying. Okay, a strange feeling as if one were flying, as fast as his legs could go. As fast as his legs could go means as fast as he could run. Okay, so these are all the meanings we learned from this lesson, the miracle. Then we have to move to the next one, that there are some questions we have to answer for this question by this. These are the questions to analyze your learning. Okay, so you have to read the question and try to answer for it. What was the reason of the people when they learned that Charlie had won the golden ticket? Okay, so we can be able to see some different different kinds of peoples in the crowd. Okay, some of them are having angry with Charlie, then some of them are having jealous with Charlie, then a shopkeeper shows some kindness towards Charlie. Okay, so these are all the reactions of the people. You have to have to come to know from about that person from this lesson. Okay, so do you think the shopkeeper was a kind man? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, I hope so you are giving a positive answer for this question, because at last we come to know about the real character of that shopkeeper. In the first class we came to know about that appearance of the shopkeeper. Okay, here in this class at last we come to know about the real character of that shopkeeper. So I hope so you will give a positive answer for this question. Okay, then next one, was it right of people to offer money to Charlie in exchange for the golden ticket? Why do you think so? Okay, this is a question you have to answer by your own. Okay, was it right of people to offer money? If you are thinking it is right, means you have to justify your answer with the reasons. Okay, if it is no, means you have to tell the reason why it is no. Okay, so this is the question, open question. You have to answer for this question. Okay, then already I saw on a video clip in your first class, first part of this lesson. Here also I have a video clip for you. So I hope you all enjoyed the first part video. Then continuation of that video you have to see, you can see in this part 2. Okay, so get ready to see a video clip.
Hey, you've got it! You've got the last golden ticket! The kids found the last golden ticket!
It really is gold.
Come here.
Stand back there.
Hey, kid, come on.
Leave the boy alone.
Let me see
Don't
it.
you kill him.
Did you see
Leave him
what
alone.
he's got?
Break it up.
Let me see it. Over here. Show it over here. It really
Come
is
on,
gold.
Charlie. Hold on to that ticket. Run for it, Charlie. Run straight home and don't stop till you get there.
Okay, I hope you all enjoy the video clip and this lesson. I hope you all understand what we learned from this lesson, The Miracle Written by Roald Dahl. We will see you in the next class. Thank you.